A very good morning to all of you. Today we will be studying chapter 9 HCF and LCM. HCF means highest common factor and LCM means that is the least common multiple. Before studying HCF and LCM, we'll just do this activity. You can see in the textbook page number 46. Now it is here 36 is a dividend and divisor it is 4. So in 36 is a multiple of the 4. Yes, 4 nines are 36. So the remainder it is 0. And in the next 65 it is a dividend and 9 is the divisor. Does it divides completely and the remainder comes 0? No, there is a remainder. 2 is a remainder. So what it is understood from this? When we divide 36 by 4, the remainder is 0. Therefore, 4 is a factor of 36. Yes, 4 is a factor of 36. 9 is also the factor of 36. 9 4s are 36. 4 9s are 36. Like this. And 36 is a multiple of the 4. Yes, but when we divide 65 by 9, the remainder is not 0. Therefore, 9 is not the factor of 65. Also, 65 is not the multiple of 9. So from this you have understood what is the meaning of the factor. So we'll just do this example. It is said write all the factors of numbers 36 and 48 and list the common factors. Just as 36, if we take the table of 1 into 36, then 2 into 18, then 3 into 12, then 4 into 9 and 6 into 6. So what we write the factors of 36? First we write here like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Then afterwards we will write as 9. We will not write 6 again. 9, then 12, then 18, then 36. So these are the factors of the 36. Then next the factors of 48 in a similar way. So from these two, which are the common factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So this it is a we are listing only the common factors. And if it is asked to find HCF, HCF means highest common factor. What will be the highest common factor? Which is the highest number, greater number. So that is 12. So that is called as the highest common factor. So from this I think it is understood what is the meaning of common, and then if it is asked to find HCF, we have to write as HCF is equal to 12. Now based on this we'll do the sum. Now come to the set 23. It is said to list only the common factors. So first write the factors of 12. 1 it is there, 2 it is there, then 3 it is there. 2 means 2 6 are 12 it is coming, then 3 4s are 12, correct, then 4 3s are 12, then 6 2s are 12, then 12 1s are 12. So these are the factors of 12, and then the factors of 16 in the same way you have to do. 2 8s are 16, then 4 4s are 16, then 8 2s are 16, then 16 1s are 16. Then list the common factors, which is here 1, then 2, 3 is not there in this, so 3 will not come, then 4. Okay, like this. In a similar way you have to do the remaining sums also. Okay, so I have done all the 5 sums. I think I have done. Yes, I have done. Now next, it is the highest common factor. How you define? To find the HCF of given number, we make a list of the factors of the given numbers and then find the greatest common factor. So that what I have explained. So from this, these sums I will do, and the remaining sums that you have to do, but answers I will give you. So we'll move to the next slide. Now here it is, first one it is factors of 45. So 1 it is there, then 3, then 5, because 3 15s are 45, 5 9s are 45, correct, then 9 5s are 45, then once again 15, 15 it is 3s are, that's what I said, then 45 1s are 45. And from these factors of 30, you know that 1 2 3, then 5 6 are 30, 6 5s are 30, 10 3s are 30, 15 2s are 30, then 30 1s are 30. Now from this, which are the common factors? 1, 3, 5 and 15. And from this, which is the highest? So that is 15. So HCF of 45 and 30 is 15. In a similar way, you have to do the remaining sum also. You can copy the answers from the slide. Now next, it is a word problem. It is here. You can see the textbook page number 47. It is said that if large square beds of equal size are to be made for planting the vegetables on a plot of land 18 meters long. So that is length of the land is 18 meters and then 15 meters wide this. So what is the maximum possible length of each bed? So that means maximum possible length, so that means you have to find the HCF. So first find the factors of 18, 1, then 2, then 3, these are the factors, 6, 9 and 18, and then the factors of the 15. And from this common, so no need to write the common factors, you can directly write the HCF, which is the highest it is there. You can underline this one, then 3, then afterwards after 3 there is no common, so that means 3 is the highest factor. So that is the maximum possible length of each bed is 3 meters. In a similar way, the next sum it is two ropes, one 8 meters long, so that is the length of one rope is 8 meter and the other it is 12 meters long, are to be cut into pieces of same length. What is the maximum possible length of each piece? So that means here once again you have to find the HCF. So first find the factors and then from that just underline the common factors and then find out which is the highest factor. So that is 4. 1 is there, 2 is there and then 4. So that means 4 is the highest factor. So last line will be maximum possible length of each piece is 4 meters. In a similar way, the next sum, so that is fourth one, the number of students of standard 6 and standard 7th who went to visit the Tadoba Tiger project at Chandrapur was 140 and 196. So number of students of standard 6 is 140 and then standard 7 is 196. The students of each class are to be divided into groups of the same number of students. So they are to be divided into the same number. So group it is being made. So each group can have a paid guide. What is the maximum number of students that should be there in each group? So, and then why do you think each group should have the maximum possible number of students? So here also you have to find the factors and then what is the HCF 28. So what we will write the last line, maximum student in each groups are 28. Each group should have a maximum number of students so that there will be minimum number of the groups. If the number of students it is more, the groups will be less and hence the minimum number of the paid guides. We have to pay the guide the less. So for that purpose, the each group should contain the maximum students. So that is there. Then now we'll come to the last sum. Last sum it is given as at the Rice Research Center at Tumsar there are 2610 kg of the seeds of basmati variety. So what is the weight of basmati rice? 2610 and then Indrayani it is 1980. If the maximum possible weight of seeds has to be filled to make the bags of equal weight, what would be the weight of each bag? So that means here you have to find the greatest common factor. This is a very big number it is. Possibly such sums will not come then, but I am giving the solution how to find the answer I am giving you. So that it is HCF comes 90. Then it is said how many bags of each variety will be there. So maximum weight it is 90. So then number of bags of basmati will be, because weight it is 2610, weight maximum weight should be of each bag should be 90. So how many bags you will make? 29. In a similar way for the Indrayani, weight it is 1980 total weight and the weight of each bag should be 90. So how many bags it is made? So that is 22. So it is said that maximum weight of each bag is 90 and the number of bags of basmati rice is 29 and the number of bags of Indrayani rice is 22. So students, you have to write this, complete the set all the sums in the notebook and the rest we'll do afterwards.